Hello, my dear students. After so many times we are meeting here, so hope you all are fine. Hope your exams are good. Okay, now we'll move to our next chapter, that is chapter number 8, Introduction to Flash CS3. Okay, see here, Introduction to Flash CS3. This chapter is for semester. See students, unit test is over now. Now your final exam will be there. Okay, so be prepared for your final exam now. See now, next, first of all, what do you mean by Flash is? See all of you, Flash is a software package that is used for creating interactive web pages that combine images, sounds, videos, and animations. Next, you have, see, how to start Flash. Okay, getting started with the Flash. First, you need to click Start option. Okay, then you have to select All Program. Then from All Program, you need to select Adobe Premiere Design CS3. Okay, and click on the Adobe Flash CS3 Professional. See students, uh, if you don't have this Flash, then you can download this Flash from the internet. Otherwise, you can see this my video only. Okay, don't worry, you can able to see this video. All the practical chapters I will explain you from my videos only. Okay. Okay, now what is the use of Flash? Just now I told you, if you want to create a drawings or animations, then you can use the Flash software. Okay, so now you all of you able to see this Flash screen here. See, this is your Adobe Flash CS3 Professional. Okay, I already downloaded this from the internet. If you don't have the internet connection, or if you don't have a laptop or a desktop at your home, then don't worry, next year you can able to learn this again. Okay, Flash. Now see here, this is a Flash. First column here, open a recent item. If you are already created the Flash, already created one project over here, then what you are going to do, click on the open and open your saved file. Okay, open your saved project. Next is create new. If you want to create a new Flash file, new project, then click on this Flash file. Okay, don't use these all. Okay, you need to learn these only, Flash file. Okay, now we'll see. I am clicking on this Flash file over here. After clicking the Flash file, see what will happen over here. After clicking the Flash file, your main Flash window will open. See, this is your main blank page is there. Okay, and this is my arrow. Okay, this is your pointer. You can able to see this. Now these are your properties. Okay students, see here, I'll just put this here down. See, these are your properties. Okay, documents name is there, then size, publish is there, background image. If you want to change, you can change the background image from here. Then you can change the frame rate over here. Okay, likewise the properties is given. Next you have a timeline over here. See, in your textbook student, on page number 129, the image is given, this figure is given. Okay, these all are the components of the Flash window. This is your main Flash window. Now I am telling you all the components of the Flash window. First one is what? This is your timeline. See, you can able to see this frame over here, 1, 5, 15, 10, 15, 20. This is your timeline. Okay, next, this white area is your stage. Okay, what you have to going to perform here, you can able to perform on this white area. Okay, this is your timeline, sorry, this is your stage. Next, this is your property inspector. Okay, it displays the properties of the selected object. Next, this is your panel. See, color panel is there. The various panels are used to work with the contents in Flash. Okay, panels are available, color, swatches, okay, library, many panels are available over here. Understood? And what is the timeline means? Timeline is used to what? Used to set the sequence of content in the movie. It is divided into the frame. Okay, you can also create layers in the timeline. Okay, if you want to adjust your timeline here, if you want to create an animation, then you can use this timeline. Okay, later on I will tell you how to create the animations in the Flash. Okay, and the main is tools. See, these are your tools panel. Okay, it helps to create or modify graphics and text. Okay, see, many tools are available over here. Okay, I will tell you now how to use these tools. I will tell you this. Okay, now see students, if you observe this in tools panel, okay, there are some the tools panel is divided into some groups. See, this is one group, then this is another group, this is another group. Okay, this is another group. Okay, this will be divided into the different groups. So first, these tools till the eraser, see, you can able to see these tools till the eraser. These all are tools. Okay, these all are tools. Then this is your hand tool and this is your zoom tool. Okay, hand tool and zoom tool. You can able to see this hand tool and zoom tool. These are your view tool. Okay, you can able to view from these two tools. Then the color tools are given here. Okay, these are your color tools, and then options tools are given. See, this is your option tools. Okay, in the Flash, this snap to object is very important here. Okay, now see, hand tool is what is the use of hand tools? Hand tool is helps to navigate the content on the stage after zooming in. Okay, you can move your content. Now next is your magnifier. This is your zoom tool. This tool has two options, zoom in and zoom out. Next is your color stroke tool. Okay, pencil color. This is stroke color, colors the outline of the drawing. Next is a fill color. Okay, this is inside the drawing, it fills inside the drawing. Then modification is given, it modifies for the selected tool, and then these are your object drawing mode. Now I will tell you, next is our property inspector. See, this is your property inspector. Okay, you can able to see this property inspector. I already told you what is this exactly property inspector is. Now this property inspector is, you can able to see, if you want to minimize this, you can minimize this property inspector from here and maximize again the property inspector from here. Okay, minimize and maximize option is available over here. Now students, see, my page is blank. I am minimizing this property inspector, so you will able to see my full page over here. Okay, see, my page is blank. Okay, see here. Now able to see my full page. See, my page is blank now. Now all of you know what do you mean by grid is? Grid means what? Grid means, I think सब लोगों ने, जब भी आप प्राइमरी में थे तभी आप लोगों ने टेबल्स लिखे होंगे. ओके, तो हम लोग टेबल्स कैसे बुक में लिखते थे? हाउ वी कैन रोट द टेबल्स in the square books. Okay, that horizontal and vertical lines are there in that your tech notebook. Okay, so that is called a grid. Now on this page, my page is blank. Now if I want to give a grid on my page, then what you have to do over here, go to view option. See, go to view option and grid is available. Okay, grid is available. Now select grid and click on the show grid. See, are you able to see these grids? You can write the tables. Okay, like this. आप इसमें टेबल्स लिखते थे, प्राइमरी में थे तभी, अभी भी लिखते हो, बट तभी ज़्यादा लिखते थे. ओके, like this is grid. Okay, this is I on this grid. Now if you don't want this grid, you can again switch off this grid. How to switch off this grid? Again go to view grid and click on this show grid, so it will go. Understood? Again my blank page will appear. Understood our students how to on and off the grid over here? Okay, now next is using ruler. If you want use ruler over here, then again go to view and click on the ruler. See, the ruler will be showing here. Okay, if you don't want this ruler, again go to view and click on the rulers. See, it will be disappeared. Understood how to on and off grid, how to on and off rulers. Okay, now we'll create a new document in the flash flash document. Okay, first see students, for all these grid, on and off grid, then property inspector, okay, tools panel, for all these shortcut keys are given in your textbook. Please go through your textbook, so you will able to understand the shortcut keys also from your keyboard. Okay, on your keyboard, that is your shortcut keys. Now we'll see how to create a new project. What we have to perform in this flash, that we'll see in our next video. Okay, till then students, have a nice day and bye bye.